Antonio. Oh, there's the worker. She's like, oh my God, there's a car. Ask her if the snack bar is open or anything.
Hey, morning. It is morning still. Cool. Yeah, for now. You guys have a snack bar that's open?
That's okay.
The only store is going to be that gas station.
That's cool.
We have food. We just thought we would grab some if there was.
Can I pay with card or cash?
Either or.
For day use?
Just a day use?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We're done with the camping, but we're checking this out on the way out. We've never been to your lake.
So 1536.
Are you allowed to swim in this lake?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
Got full hookups and everything.
Oh,
Want a map?
Yeah, please.
Yes.
Yes, please, I mean.
too bad you don't have your fishing poles.
Yeah, it's too hot.
Here's that for you.
Awesome.
The fish don't like it hot, huh?
Everything's on the right-hand side, clear down here. This is going to be your hookup and partial hookup area at the very end.
Cool.
Is there like a day's beach kind of area?
Yeah, is there a day use beach kind of area?
You can go anywhere.
Oh, cool.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Right on.
Thank you.
You just have the window keys.
Yes.
Yes.
Cindy, your share of a cookie.
Yes, she can. She would
Oh my
really
gosh,
love
you're gonna
one.
get a cookie.
You want a treat? Little girl wants to give you a treat.
Aww.
This goes in your windshield. This is your ticket out.
Awesome.
You're being a good girl too. You deserve one.
Yay.
Thank you.
Look at that one.
Look it. Wow. Her birthday was yesterday, actually. She turned 14 yesterday, so that's a late present, honey. All right, thank you. You too.
Thank you.
We have arrived. That's a big bone for her.
Yeah.
We would have broke that into thirds. All right, we're in, and she said we can be wherever. She showed us where the hookups are in case you want to come back another time. Wow, those spots look dry. So there's the horse, equestrian area because they got the horse sign. That might have been Jenica commenting on the video. Yeah, equestrian. Okay, so if you're horse people, speaking of Raka, you can come camp with your horses. That's cool.
It's so cool.
You can see the water's real low. California.
We made it.
Good job!
It was such a mystery before.
I know. We were camping at Lake Nacimiento, and the plan was on the way out. Well, look how weird that tree looks. On the way out to stop by this lake, and we missed it somehow. Yeah, any road you want to check out?
I could do anything.
Let's do it.
I'm a four-wheeler.
Road 1. Look at how that cove is usually full of water right there. And are these little outhouses they have all
Yep.
throughout?
Caca houses.
5 miles an hour. We're getting closer. Bobby's just scoping out a spot. You take it, he's look. Oh, you can see the tip of the fire too. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, this lake goes over there pretty far. They have little hand washing stations by the porta potties. I'm sure you're looking for. Oh, there's cows for shade, huh?
Yeah.
Shady spot to kick it. Here's the map, and she said everything's to the right. These cows are cute. Stay in the shade, you guys. Oh, there's babies. Oh, cute. Yeah, the water is low, but there's water. What's that across there, cows?
Cows down the water bank.
Oh, okay, so
Real gross.
interesting. Yeah, it's interesting. Maybe this isn't a water supply? Dang, the fire looks crazy from here. Oh, but that shade is by the outhouse. I'm not hanging out at the outhouses.
Oh.
That's foul. So that is a little beachy area. No shade though. Wow, the fire.
And get rid of the garbage.
There you go. Perfect. We're gonna get rid of our camping garbage. We just camped on BLM land and it's pack it in, pack it out. If you want to see those episodes on the playlist. That fire, man. We just explored from down there. Let me turn this AC down for a second. And then look at this, guys. That is the fire plume. Not good, not good. Looks like there might be a little shady. Sorry, guys. Potholes. Maybe a little shady oasis here we might hang out in for a minute, but we're gonna explore end to end of this park. And in the meantime, we'll keep an eye on this fire in the distance. Oh, picnic tables. All right, that's the first we've seen of that.
Look at all the squirrels everywhere.
I don't want to use it, I'm just like observations. We're gonna eat lunch in a little bit.
Oh, we love your wires. Can we have some of your wires?
We noticed the fire plume has gotten super tall. Oh, it's behind the trees. I'll show you in a sec. Stopped at this little spot. These people brought their trailer down all the way to the water. Found a shady spot to kick it for a few. You can just see the very top of the fire there. Once we get past that ridge. Oh, that must be the main parking lot right there with that big bathroom that we're, the day use lot. Oh, maybe these are for camping. There's fire pit.
Right underneath the tree.
Yeah, that's freaking brilliant. Okay, making our way to, what did they call this area? We think it's just main parking and main bathroom. That doesn't even have a name. And from there, we'll start hitting campgrounds, but I think I'm gonna have a little bit of food first. Oh yeah, the launch ramp. We definitely wanted to see that. We wouldn't bring our boat here though. We just go to Lopez, that's it.
Oh, look at that squirrel's got something big in its mouth.
What the heck?
Yeah, it's like as big as his head.
What is it?
Like a giant rose hip or something.
Is it its baby? Giant rose hip was bigger than that. I can't believe they even let people have fires in a metal ring. No fires, just no fires. Come on. Speaking of fires, when we go around the bend here. Oh, so that's boarded up. Huh. Weird. That used to be like the store and bait and all that kind of stuff, probably. Oh, the fire doesn't look as bad. It looks a little better. That was crazy. There's a stick-built or a brick-built bathroom with a handicap out.
Brick shit house?
The launch is, yeah, brick shit house. Oh my God.
Yeah.
There's no shade over there.
No shade. Ain't no shade.
couple bites somewhere before we explore too much further. I just need a little bit of food in my belly. This looks like it has the most condensed clusters of oak trees. We're going to find a little shady spot and have a little snackaroo before we proceed. Who wants to eat on that bench? My goodness, it's hot out there. Don't know where we're going to. Huh. All right, we'll use the bucket as a picnic basket. We've got all our goodies in here, and we're gonna make it into a lunch. Pineapple, potato salad, chips, crackers, tunas, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. We're gonna explore now. The next section should be the beginning of the campground. I think it's called McCandless Springs Campground. What does the star mean? Oh, that just means that's the campground. Picnic, bathroom, tent camping. We're seeing if we might want to come back here and camp someday. You never know. I guess we can listen to some hootie.
Alright, so this is all the barbecue pits and...
Oh. But not the campground?
Go back in and double check.
Man, that's rough if that's a campground.
Yeah, I want the one with the tree.
Wow, I think that's camp. Let's see. It'll tell us. Oh yeah, if that's the sign, remember, I want to sign it. Yep, this is a campground. We would definitely not want to camp in there. Absolutely not. You don't even need to drive in there.
It's got showers.
Where?
It says on the sign.
That's fine, but I don't want to use their shower either. Don't see any buildings out there. There's A loop, K loop, J loop, B loop, P loop. Way to go in alphabetical order. This is what I'm looking at. See another brick shit house over there.
Brick built shit house. Get huff and puff and...
Okay, slow down. Here's another one. This must be Loop A.
Road 11.
Oh. I didn't see Road 11. What's MI? Oh, minor possession of alcohol. Wow. Okay, that must be a problem here. Because there's Road 11 and then an A loop. There's like no infrastructure here. I guess this is a county park, or it says up here, County of Monterey Public Works, Facilities, and Parks. Maintenance office. Oh, ranger station. Okay. There's no ranger station on this map. I think that'd be important to let people know where to go.
I might need some
What's this thing?
advice.
Maintenance yard? Whoa, that's way over there. What's this? A-loop. Okay. Boy, that's small. Am I missing something here? We can check out A-loop if you want.
Holding tank disposal station. You know what that means?
At least these have a little bit of shade, but still not doing it for me. Harmful. Oh, the algae bloom. Not enough shade.
Some camping here.
How'd you like to have to be like that? That would just not be fun.
Yeah.
Look at the poor benches.
They're all, everything's on a slant. And
Well, that bench is can't even hold people anymore because the sun has just destroyed it.
some spots.
That
Some
one's-
open spots.
That one's okay, but I wouldn't make a special trip here to stay there. They're floating in the tubes out there. That's fun. I used to do that. I used to like to do that. There's the shadiest one right there. That big tree. This one has good shade, actually, too, if you had to camp there, but still, I just, way better than that campground, though. We're going to drive for a bit longer this time, and then at the very end, there's going to be KJB. C. KJB. C, actually, first C loop. Oh, they're all in there. Okay. So there's loops within loops. Look, like within K loop is other letters. Within J loop, there's other letters. Not confusing at all.
No. Showers?
I'm good. Okay, those are the showers. Bobby wants you guys to see the showers. There's the showers.
Hot showers, propane tank.
Oh, there's another launch ramp in the very end here, too.
Nice. Launch this baby.
Oh my gosh.
Look, these are all spots, too. There's water hookups, one for each side.
Oh my gosh.
How does that work out? 10?
I don't know. No picnic benches?
Why would you need
a lot of them
water
don't
at
have
10?
benches.
Want me to park my car up there? My RV or something?
Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. You guys have a lot of water here or what? Everybody gets their own spigot. It's unusual. Unless you're in an RV and you have a water hookup.
Water trough for the horsies.
Oh, nice. Can you put... Oh, I see what you're doing. I was like, I can't really see the...
Oh my God!
Oh, man. You aren't Jordan.
I suck. Wow.
It's better to not break the glass in there anyway. That's funny. Well, he threw it way over there. Way overshot it. That's funny. Obviously, there's no bear problem here. Oh, that's recycling.
Fish cleaning station.
Oh, fish cleaning. I was going to say, dang, that's heavy duty for... guess there's no bear problem here because they leave all the trash cans wide open. Nobody's camping here, huh?
No.
Man, the water used to come up all up in there. Poor lake. There's another loop. That one looks a little better. Way more shade. Look how nice that one over there is.
Oh, yeah.
Seems like every loop higher you go, the better the options are. So this is the one we're talking about right now. I don't know what loop it is yet. Giving you an overview in case you want to come. If you have a boat, yeah, this is the place to camp, man.
Gotta be away from everybody. Plenty of room right now, it looks like.
Yeah, weekdays. It's still summertime, too. I guess some kids went back to school. Your grandkids went back to school already. It's so weird. I don't know why they ever messed it up. It's supposed to be go back after Labor Day. And Labor Day is the first weekend of September. Then you go back to school. Not the first week in August. What's wrong with them? Your grandkids got gypped. Our neighbors' kids are still out of school, I think. Don't enter. Oh, there's the employee housing. A couple trailers. He parks his park vehicle right at home. I'll get you some water in a minute. More water. That looks like it'll be a sign. I've been looking for a sign that says San Antonio Lake.
Take away the signs. Blocking up the scenery.
That's a pretty tree straight ahead. Oh, see, it has B through K, BK loop.
It's BK.
BTK.
Killer.
Picture the
tumble-
sign.
The tumbleweeds.
Or Bobby will get it for me because it's on his.
No, you'll get it your own self.
Okay. Oh, take two. We're gonna walk down to the launch ramp and put our toes in the water. This is the very end of the line. Hopefully it's not hot on our paws. Is there a way we can walk? That's probably way too hot to go all the way down there and back with her.
I was wondering.
There's no way to walk off to the edge. Okay,
Stop pause, that's okay.
well, this isn't asphalt, is that? That's concrete. Okay, good. All right. Yeah, if you don't know that the dogs can get real bad burns on their paws if they walk on hot black asphalt in high temperatures. Don't drink it. Feels nice. It's another fish cleaning station. That thing back there you thought was a horse trough was another fish cleaning station. I'm not gonna go up there. Ew, that stinks.
Sounds like fish.
No way.
Seriously.
I'm good. Hot melting fish, like sweltering hot fish. We're gonna check out some of the campsites over here in these loop cave, whatever it said. Oh yeah, that's a nice little picnicking area over there, especially the one on the end.
Oh, this one's right in the shade.
Yeah, the one on the end is too, and it's like a better view.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's a camper. Or they're probably workers. No tents or vehicles on turf. Can you show us?
I guess.
It's on. It's zoomed in.
Uh,
Oh, okay. I see.
I'll see what we'll be looking down at. Uh-huh. B area. Full
Oh,
hookup.
okay. I want to see the full hookup. Well, that's where they are.
Yeah, there's one right there. There's one right here by our bathroom.
Oh, yeah. No, I'm good. I do like it better than Nacimiento setup, but... There's deer under the tree over here, I think.
Oh, yeah, I see where it heads.
Oh, there too, but I was talking about that. I'm gonna just keep focusing on
See
this.
the ones with
Yes.
him too. Little baby buck.
Lots of camping in here. This doesn't have the rates either, but it's $15 to come in for the day with the dog. So hopefully that helps for anybody who wants to come camping here.
Don't forget
To stop and smell the flowers. If you can find any. Just kidding. From up here, you get a little more of a bird's eye view, maybe. Maybe. Ish, sure. That's the K loop. G and H. And there are quite a few with hookups here, surprising. Like this one has hookups too. I wouldn't have thought so. It's interesting. I mean, they had to run all that infrastructure throughout here to do that. It's just a trip. There's an okay little shady cluster over there.
Oh, yeah. Shower. Possible.
Yeah, I can. I can smell the fire over here. Lots of woodpeckers in here. Boy, that tree's half dead.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
We noticed several spelling variations. What do you think is correct? McCandles, McCandless, one S, two S's? I'm not sure. All right, that was awesome. We're glad we can check this off our list. We probably wouldn't come back, but if we did need to or decided to, we would want to camp right on the water, it looks like. We're gonna exit the gates. I'm not gonna tape the ride home, but I did tape the ride here. Oh, this is part of the San Juan Bautista Trail. There's a sign for it.
Oh, yeah.
And part of that was Joseph D. Grant is part of that trail too. That road and that was marked. Sometimes you have to take your sticker off.
Do you need my sticker? Oh, you do? I was just going to wave to you and drive away.
Thank you. I wasn't going to come back, but I have to. Look at this fire. And we're driving towards it because that's where home is. So the fire in the distance, and we're approaching this staging area here momentarily, where they are
staging their helicopters and commands and all their watching.
Those airplanes, the fire trucks. You can see it all right here, over here.
Yeah.
And we just saw someone get pulled over by a warden truck, Fish and Game, and then they called it backup, and then 2 CHP. So around 3:30 on this date, see if anything ends up in the news. But that fire is ominous, and I just wish they could get it out. They're trying, I know.
If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just speak love and watch the smiles come.
Thanks for
Bring
watching.
my spirits up.
Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers.
There's some shit I like to fix.